panic. Just like Janet. Basically, I'm too high, not landing. Oh my God. Damn, you're doing outstanding. Ooh, damn, you're doing outstanding.
We off the grid, this for my kid.
For when my kids have kids. Everything we did for the crib, everything we did, how we live. All this smoke got a scent, all that smoke Kevin sent. Everything I spoke, what I meant, never disguised my intent. Lines outside the event, brought my life out the trench. God, thank God, look what he did. We off the grid.
Every few hours a train comes through here. You gotta hide, or if they see you, they'll call the cops.
Tattoos on my ribs. I just had my kids. I just do 20 county. Using honest. I just bought this brand new clothes. Go street market. We just took a run and shot it.
Hello, welcome to Barrio. I'm surprised we knew how to work that. Fresh cocaine.
That's not what I was zooming in on, but yeah, those are pretty fresh.
That was worse. That was so much worse. Here we are, Paul and I, at yet another graduation party.
Another grad party. What's the first one?
Emma's.
Kind of the main characters right now. What's up, everybody? That's all I have to say. Get ready for embarrassing singing, part 2.
Is it videoing right now? Because I'm offended that someone looked like me because I'm one of a kind. Can I say something?
You can say whatever you want.
Hey guys, as you might not know, I'm Avery and Mac Hudock is the king of absolutely everything. And no one knows that except for people that are lucky enough to know him. But I don't get to see Max enough and we love him so much and he belongs to the world. He belongs to everyone. If you don't know Max Hudock, you're doing something wrong. Everyone that's watching this probably knows you, but there's definitely some fans out there and you fans, hit me up. Man, maybe you can hang out with us, but slim chances.
We have 2 witnesses saying Aiden Keenan has left with Karis.
Uh-oh.
I'm a witness.
Aiden Keenan has left with Karis. We don't know where they went. We're working on it.
Working for you.
Uh-oh.
Who are you with?
It's not Karis, Karis.
Hey, watch out, there's a car,
I'm watching. Are you?
I am watching.
You watching me? Don't get their license plate. What are you doing?
Hey vlog, Michael with my good friend Paul.
Mike.
We're
Hi Grace.
okay.
Hey guys.
Hey.
It's a video.
It's a video.
No, I don't know why Paul was saying I was from Europe. I'm just not.
I want to be in the video. Except I have nothing to say except I love you, Max.
Like and subscribe.
Max Hudock back. We're at a little thing, running around. Keep posted. We're gonna be making videos all the time. Frenchman's Hole coming up. Big cliff jumping video. See you dudes.
I mean, he hit it pretty well. Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
I only brought.
Yeah, but I want to play.
Yo, but I literally just ate so much mac and cheese and I can't even eat mac and cheese. I'm not supposed to. The doctor said not to. It's really inspirational. So sometimes when you're going down the stairs, you fall. The key is to like, don't fall down them stairs. Stay up on the stairs. Upright, horizontal, sideways, vertical. Ow!
I'm surprised you won.
Arm wrestle.
Now watch. Ready?
You can.
What? Fantastic. Get out of town.
That is some heavily wealthy shit.
Hey guys.
Avery's filming, doing a great job.
So basically, yeah, we were kind of separated at birth, but
They fucked up the paperwork.
yeah, but here we are now.
Now that they're gone, fuck them, right? Let's go. Woo! This is Max's job, dude.
Locked. Lucy looks at him through the window.
Who is Lucy?
New movie, new short film.
No, fuck the short film. Throw it out. Hey, why would you hit me on the head?
Hi, I'm Max. This is Aiden.
Hi.
I'm gonna shave his head.
He said he'd give me money if I did this.
He's a consenting adult.
Yeah.
I've never done this before.
Okay.
How did you do it?
You just do it.
You want me to just go for it? Oh my god, this is crazy.
Hey, wait, seriously? Make sure that that does not fall out, or else I'm gonna go bald.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my fuck! Whoa.
Oh!
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh.
Whoa. Slow and steady wins the race. Ow.
Sorry, it's thick.
I know. I got a lot of hair.
Whoa. Oh no, Aiden, I'm sorry. This is not right.
Ow. Maybe these clippers are bad. Does it look good?
No.
No.
This looks like a hostage situation.
Shit, you know what? I could have sold it. People want red hair.
Like a fetish?
What? No, you
fetish.
can like people. Oh,
No.
God. Oh man.
Do I look pretty?
No, that looks good.
Thanks. Should we just leave it here?
No. Yes. Really? Oh my God. Holy fuck.
It looks like we killed an animal. Do we shave shady next? Dude, my mom's gonna cry.
You didn't tell her?
No.
Oh. What? You look like
Smell
you're
it. It
8
smells
years
great.
old.
Good. I made it heart.
Alright, come here. We just shaved his head.
Oh my god. Look at all the hair. Holy shit.
Hey.
Bug spray. Have you ever seen the prevent?
Met a shawty down in Cabo, she a model. Got a villa by the beach, I feel like.
Imagine the camera just break.
Here we are, back at Cape Santa. Where else would we be? What?
They're long.
It doesn't matter, bro. No one looks. Unless they're fucking like that long. No one's looking.
Are you recording? I don't know. The beach is really nice. Beautiful. Water's cold, but then you have to dump yourself in and it's good.
You got it. Last one in. Last one in.
Bad with the camera.
I am really bad with the camera.
She's not gifted mentally or physically for the camera. You know, my name's Omba.
Oh, we've got to fight.
Oh, she's so cute.
Ran away.
Waterproof on it. Gotta get it in the vlog.
Hey, let's see. Let's see Campbell get fucked up.
People get fucked.
Oh!
You put it on for 3 minutes, then just scrape it off and your hair comes off.
That's
like better. That was refreshing, bro.
It's not bad. It's worth it.
Yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night.
Hello.
Yeah.
Max clipped the railing.
Nah, no. Did you get it on video?
Yeah, I got it on video. His fucking foot went like.
he was gonna die.
Yeah, I thought he was. Yeah, I kind of thought he was dead.
Oh yeah, you really got me now. You got me so.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, oh, and you're coming? Alright, boys. Jump like a pencil. What if I hit the ground?
Yo, go ahead. 3, 2.
No. Alright, yo, count down for real. 5, 4. No, yo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Is pencil safe? 2, 1, jump. Every time I hiccup, it hurts. Hey.
Well done.
Yeah, I think you're just a little drunk.
No, you don't understand. The ribs are fine. I remember that. Your ribs are fine. My ribs are fine. Well, every time I sneeze,
You probably got.
little.
Don't yell at the kids.
Excuse my language. Oh my god. Ah, you didn't go. 2, 1. That was fun.
We're here at Aiden's house. Successful day at the beach. Got some people coming over tonight. Gonna hang out.
Should be pretty fun. I'm tired. Kinda wanna go to bed.
Give me the fucking
She always wants to start playing and then she just starts fucking walking around.
That is unfortunate.
He's about to get it.
You're trash. You don't dare pin that on me.
Looking like an ice cold glass of H2O on a hot summer night.
No, I kind of focused.
That was good. That was good. That was a good shot.
Why was it good?
Because I placed the glass.
Ah.
It was good. It's so hot.
Air conditioner is broken. It is hot. I wanna go home. I'm kidding.
Max is
It was
on
good.
Love. In love.
Look at he's sweating. He's dead ass sweating.